Chevrolet Malibu 2008 to 2012 2.4 engine. The ABS control module is located on the right side under the hood. To replace it, disconnect the harness connector, remove the hoses, unscrew one mounting bolt, use a pry bar to push the module up and replace the module with a new one.